Welcome to in 5 minutes. Now we'll discuss some built-in functions, that is library functions of C. The first type of functions we'll see is character functions. These functions work with single character and produce some result. For example, the first function we'll see is function toUpper. The function returns uppercase letter for the given character if it's a lowercase letter. So it just converts lowercase to uppercase. You can see the example. It is y equal to toUpper in bracket r. So it converts the lowercase r into uppercase r and store it to y. So we'll get answer y as capital R. Next example you can see over there only. It's toUpper of e, where e is already capital, so that letter will not be affected and we'll get y as same e back. Then y equal to toUpper of 4. Now 4 is a digit, it won't be converted, so we'll get same character back. So in summary, toUpper function converts lowercase to uppercase letter, other characters not affected. Now see, for example, we have some a variable with t value, b variable holds 3 as a character, c variable holds m as a character, and one more ch is a variable which is no value. Now we can write something like this: ch is equal to toUpper in bracket, let's say a. So here the uppercase a of a will be stored into ch. A will not change. So after this operation is done, we'll get ch as capital T, whereas a will remain same lowercase t. So function doesn't convert the original given letter to uppercase, only it returns the uppercase version of that letter back to a variable. The next function is toLower function. The function returns the lowercase letter for the given character if it is already uppercase letter, other letters not affected. For example, here y equal to toUpper of ch1, where ch1 is already capital, so we'll convert it to lowercase, and in y I'll get lowercase a, whereas ch will not be affected, ch1 will be same a. Again, y equal to toLower of ch2, where ch2 is 8, so 8 will not be converted to any other form, we'll get same 8 back. So toLower function converts only uppercase letters to lowercase, other characters not affected, and the original letter is not changed. Okay, then the function which are used for checking some kind of character. The first function is digit. The function returns non-zero value if the character is a digit, else returns 0, that is false. So function returns non-zero value to indicate true and returns 0 to indicate false. So all these functions work same way, only their operation is a bit different. So the first function is digit. See the example over here. It is y equal to digit in bracket 3. So since 3 is a digit, it returns some non-zero value, let's say 1, and digit of k will give me answer as 0. So it just returns answer as true or false, true, non-zero, and 0, false. Alpha, the function returns non-zero value if the character is alphabet, else returns 0. Now in this case ch is m, so y equal to alpha of ch will give me obviously non-zero value, that is y will be 1, and alpha of 7 will give me 0 to say false. Now you can see while calling function you can write variable as a parameter or you can write value as a parameter directly, that is you can mention a character variable as a parameter or you can write directly a character value. See, for example, here for converting to lowercase we have written a over here, so a is lowercase t whose uppercase will be stored into ch. So you can use the parameter as a variable or as a value. Then function is alnum, that is alphabet or numeric. Function returns non-zero value if the character is alphabet or a digit. So in this case alnum for y will give me true, that is 1 or any non-zero value. Alnum for 6 will give me 1 because it is alphabet or a digit. Alnum for plus will give me answer as 0. You can use any of these functions somewhat like this also. It's like you can say if digit in bracket, suppose let b, then perform something, else perform some different thing. So in this case we'll check for digit b. Now if this answer of this is non-zero, that is true, then if part will work. If this answer of this is 0, then that is false, so if will not work, else will work. So that is how we can use this function to check whether some character is a digit or alphabet or alphanumeric. So we can use these functions directly in if or else if, or we can use them in printf directly also to print some value. For example, I can directly write printf %c, and here I can write 2 upper in bracket, let's say a. So 2 upper of a will be printed as output. Now a is lowercase t, so output of this will be capital T. So I can use these functions in printf. I can use these functions separately, like to get the answer, or I can use these functions in some if, where these functions can be used to get the answer as true or false. Thank you.